Don't judge me. Scissors are no longer serving a purpose for me. So sometimes you just have to cut your losses. I mean, my hair was pretty transparent at the back. Here's all the hair loss that I've ever had. But honestly, the best thing that you can do to benefit for your hair growth is just to cut it. I didn't want to, but after the other day when I had extensions in, I was just seeing the back so I could feel the wefts in my hair. And I looked with my hand mirror, and I could see the tracks. So I thought, damn, I knew that my hair was transparent because of being bleached, and I do have very naturally fine hair, but yeah, it's definitely just time to make the cut, literally. So at least now I can join the world on the famous lob. Like, I've always wanted to have the lob, but I've always also wanted to grow long hair, but you have to usually go shorter to grow longer. So this is my new hair. Now to shower, wash my hair, do a treatment, and then thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it was ridiculously short, but still. Ciao!